Hi everybody, it's Lauren again. I have been asked to do a review of the Moterm Croc Leather planner, A9 planner. So I grabbed one because they're pretty and just wanted to talk about my experience using it and just share what my thoughts are about it and let you see it move, because that's always helpful for me in reviews. Okay, so the Croc Leather A9 comes with 2 packs of paper, just like all of the other A9 planners, and a dust bag. There's no fly leaf that is the size of these planners. So it's just this. You can get different clear bags for it. Let's see, I've got one. So there's like a zipper bag that you can get that'll fit in there. And then they've also got just the card sleeves, the individual sleeves that will work with these. So pretty much it's the same planner as the Pebble Leather A9s. I'll link my review of the A9s below. You can see that the color of the stone croc leather is cooler in color than the gray Pebble leather. So this is more like a heather gray, and this is like a true stone gray. Darker, I mean, I guess that's what they call it, stone gray, but it's shinier. The leather is shinier. It's definitely thicker. I mean, I notice it most on the straps, but there's just, it's almost as if a stiffener has been put in this one. The leather itself doesn't give as much. When you open it, the pockets are a little bit stiffer. It just feels like when you're using it, it feels more like a luxury, like a stiffer leather. So it definitely, I mean, it's definitely beautiful. It's definitely shiny. I only carried this for about 24 hours because I wanted to try it out with papers in it and all that. It works the same as the other planner, but this, I mean, it's just, I would never do this with this leather. It's too stiff. I would be afraid it would bend or leave a mark. I guess it wouldn't, probably. I'm not really a croc leather user. I've tried twice to buy a planner in this croc leather because I think it's so beautiful. It's just that this squishier leather suits my style more. So I don't think this planner is as pretty as this one, but I think that the squishier, because I would never, I mean, it just doesn't bend very easily. It's very pretty. It is neither one of the planners, if you open them and just lay them flat, will lay flat without a little assistance because of that back pocket and the size of this planner. If you have one that's a pocket size and you open it and lay it flat with pages in it, it doesn't really have trouble laying flat. But even with pages in this, it's not going to stay open for you. The same goes for this croc leather. There really wasn't much difference in the way that it carries, except just that it's firmer. So, you know, all of the design is the same. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets, just the same. I think all of them will have the new black liner. This one actually has the older brown liner. But yeah, the color is, I mean, I really prefer this gray to this one. The color is very nice. I think the grain looks like a luxury item more so than this. But I'm just not going to carry it. I've decided to pass this one along to someone else because it's just not, it's not squishy. So let me know if you have any questions about the difference in these two. The pin loop is just the same size. It's got the elastic on the back so you can put a bigger pin in there. The size of the planner matches exactly. So, and I feel like I should be able to show that, but it's just not going to be easy because of the bump. Oh, smart move, Lauren. So the exact same size. Function exactly the same. But this one's just stiffer leather. The pockets are a little bit harder to access because of that, in my opinion. But I don't feel as much like my stuff's gonna fall out once it's in there. I don't know. What questions do you have? What do you see the difference as between this kind of heather gray and the stone gray? You have any, what are your thoughts? What do you want to know? The rings are the same. It's a really nice little planner. Very pretty. Okay, well, I hope that answers your questions. I hope it was helpful to see it move some. I really think it's beautiful. It's just not my style. So I'll end up carrying more of these than the croc leather. And I bet you I'll probably order another one of these just because I think they're so pretty. But I probably will do the same thing, which is carry it for 24 hours and then sell it to somebody else. All right. Well, let me know what questions you have. I hope this video was helpful. There's really not a big difference between the two, except for the print, the shininess. You know, the croc leather is obviously much shinier seeming, and the stiffness of the leather. All right. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful. Bye.